What's going on, guys? My name is Aaron Baker. I am the service and testing manager here at Awake Window and Door Company. I want to welcome you guys to our basic installation training, tips and tricks going through all of our different products. Today I want to highlight our 425 fixed window series, the common mole option versus the T-bar option, and kind of the ins and outs of each of those. The major difference between our T-bar system and a standalone fixed window or common mole system is your sight line. Here in my hand I have a cross section of two fixed windows that are common molded together, equaling a 2-inch profile versus the T-bar, which is an 1 3/8 profile. Big question we get in service is how to mold the system together, and is it okay to use a mechanical fastener after the system is molded together? The answer is yes. We encourage not using a fastener greater than about 1/2 inch. You want to go ahead and run that fastener through this pocket, apply your beauty covers. No one ever knows that those fasteners are there. Make sure you also apply a bead of silicone per our installation instructions. Switching over to our T-bar system, we utilize some specialty Awake hardware. Those systems are shipped knockdown or are stick built in the field. All of the perimeter frames are already processed here in our factory to receive that hardware. So all you need to do is run your fasteners from the exterior into the frame for your horizontal members as well as your verticals. Before you're done, please ensure that you have the correct vinyl selected or the correct vinyl is installed for your glass OA makeup. So a frequent question we get in the service department is, how do I remove the pressure bar cover as well as the pressure bars without damaging them or permanently deforming them? You're in luck. Today, I'm gonna bless you with a little trick. We're gonna utilize just a standard pry bar and a simple rag or towel. We're gonna take that pry bar, start at the top or the bottom of that cover. We're gonna pop it free. Once we have it free, we're gonna take that towel and work it behind that cover and unzip that cover from the pressure bar. As you can see, this isn't gonna permanently deform that cover, making it reusable after you perform your adjustments. Thank you guys for watching. Greatly appreciate your time. Feel free to leave a comment. Shoot us an email at service@awakewdc.com. Until the next one, I'm Aaron Baker. Thank you for watching.